It's also shaking, sounds much rougher as it slows down too. You hear all kinds of noises. Well, first things first, I'm going to unplug it. Well, the first thing you want to check to make sure it's good and tight is your bolt here on the arbor. That it's not spinning on, the blade is not spinning loose. So that all seems to be fine. So the next thing would be to open the back, taking out these 6 bolts. And checking the blade just to make sure it's running, it's not wobbly or something wrong with the blade kind of thing as well, but everything looks to be fine.